Hi, and thanks for watching. If you're new here, I'm Wendy and this is Nina's Jewels. My husband and I buy things at thrift stores, flea markets, and garage sales to sell online and flip for a profit. If that's content that interests you, please stick around. And make sure to hit that like button. It really helps us out as we're trying to grow our channel. Thanks so much.
Nina's Jewels. Come on in. Nina's Jewels. Come on in.
Hey guys, we're here at the Goodwill Outlet ready to do some digging. Later this week it's going to ice up here in Texas, so we wanted to make sure we have some inventory before we get iced in and have some things to list for the days that we're stuck inside the house. All right, let's get started.
I think I need something. Oh look!
Yeah.
I think I need something. Yeah. We listed them with something else though.
Yeah, but we can.
Oh look! A miter tool. It. Oh yeah, that's like the one I had when I was a kid. Yeah, I would say definitely get that. Oh, here you go.
User's guide.
Oh yeah, somebody will want that. You know, I love old guides. Group meeting sparklers. We can sell these as a set.
Okay. Here.
Oh, cool. Is it? Disney?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, then. Oh, here. Starbucks mug.
Really? Nice. Good find.
Oh, I'm gonna keep this U-line box in here. Hold on. What'd you say, honey?
What are these little things? There's a whole bunch of them.
Stratego. Ooh. Shoot up.
Yeah, rat bottle.
Oh, look. Love my little in-package stuff. You know that. are pretty trashed.
I feel like the magic eraser would clean them up if we would know they were.
I think it would clean them up probably, but they're just, boy, they are crappy.
I wonder if they would work. Want to give them a shot?
If you think they're worth anything.
Cool looking, I mean.
All right. Oh, ooh, Timberland.
Ooh,
Oh,
nice. We gotta find
look,
another one
look.
of those. Oh,
But
dang.
we can get some glue.
You know what though? I gotta take that other shoe to the golf, or do you want to risk it?
It's pretty.
What's that?
It's pretty split.
Okay. What is this?
But maybe.
This looks really nice. Hyper.
They're probably garbage, but they're new and packaged, so I would go ahead and get them. I mean, it's the bins. Oh my God, look what I found.
Oh my God, grab it.
Oh look, see more little people.
Yeah, that's from the, you grabbed that. That's from the nativity set.
Cool. You missed this, you went right by it. Huh. Play yard netting. Cool. Babies are us.
Yeah, this I would pick up. Make sure it's not broken though.
It does not look broken. Okay, what about this stuff? This has writing on the bottom.
I have no idea.
He's cute. Look at that little guy.
Look it up.
Ooh, a wrapped screwdriver. And here's another one. Here. Igniter kit. What? I don't know if everything's in here though. I don't know what all's supposed to go in here. I actually think this might be the whole thing. You want to try it, or do you think this is the old one? An igniter kit for a Weber grill. Check that out.
That's pretty cool. This is a real transformer.
It is?
Yeah.
Get it?
You put it with that other one.
Yeah. Transformer.
Yeah, we might just make a whole video on this.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we ran out of battery at Goodwill, and instead of changing our battery, we opted to just keep going because they were about to close. In fact, they were so close to closing that they started turning the lights out on us. So we were just rushing to finish. So I'm going to show you the last few items that we got that we weren't able to show on camera real quick just now. And then we will comp everything as much as we can, or show you what we've listed on the screen as well. All right, let's get started. So we found these Hello Kitty Kiss slippers. And they're in a little bit rough shape. I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to get them cleaned up enough to list. And if I did, you'll see them on the screen over here. But I just thought they were too cool to pass up. So we'll see how those turn out. Next up was 2 new with tags kids sun hats. There was nothing really special about these, but they were new with tags. So we'll probably list those either as a lot together or separately. I'll comp them and see how they look. Next up was this cute little dress up bumblebee skirt. That'll probably be good for Halloween or dress up. Then I found these Bob's Skechers memory foam espadrilles with the eyelet lace style. They were in really good condition, so I picked those up. Next, we found several PC games. This one was called Mysteryville. I don't know anything about it yet. But I'll comp everything on the screen. I'll show you everything after we've comped it on the screen, and we'll hope for the best. We found these 2 Nancy Drew games. I think they have everything in them. We'll find out. Then we found 2 boxes of Titleist golf balls. I'm gonna get these turned around. We'll probably put these together. I don't think those will sell for much, but I don't know anything about golf balls, so I'll be learning as I go on this one. And then we did find these branded Famous Grouse liquor branded golf balls. I know people collect golf balls that are branded, so we'll see how those do. So I have actually already gotten these drafted up, and they are Crate & Barrel Star Garland. I have 4 packages of them, and it's just plastic garland for your like Christmas tree. And I I couldn't find the exact package, but I know Crate & Barrel products like this do really, really well. So we're out of season. This is January. We do sell Christmas stuff year round, so they may sell, but rather than waiting until December to list these, I'm just going to go ahead and list them and see how they do. I have listed all of these together, a lot of 4, and I've done them at an auction starting at $29.99. If they don't sell, I'll probably just relist it as a buy it now for $29.99 and hope that they sell through the year. If not, I'll wait until Christmas, and then I might try to make myself a note to relist it as an auction around November-ish to see if we can get a little bit more for them as an auction, because I know that Crate & Barrel stuff does sell really, really well. So we'll see how those do. And I have drafted this item up as well. This is a metal, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's a metal painted wall mount hook with like a bird theme, and it has all the hardware and stuff with it. And I've got this listed, I believe, for $29 or $39.99. Stuff like this was doing really, really well. So that is already drafted up. I already have this drafted up as well. It's an open box, but all of the filters in here are new, and it's for a Brita water filter. This is a box of 4, but there's only 3 filters in here. I have this listed for, I believe, $14.99, but you'll see it over here on the screen. And then this I also have drafted up. It is a vintage GE makeup mirror. It opens up and it has 3 different settings: daytime, office, and sunlight. You can flip the mirror around and it's magnetic and it magnifies. And then it has an easel on the back. And it works. We tested it and everything. And I have it listed, gosh, I think I have it listed for $39.99. $39 or $49.99. So that was doing really well. And it had really, really good sold throughs. This game, I have to double check that everything's in it, but it looks brand new, just out of the shrink wrap. All the pieces in there. I mean, when you open it, it looks like it's never been used. So we took a risk on this one. We don't pick up games in the Goodwill bins very often because usually they've been open and stuff's been tossed around. But this one looked really, really new. I haven't comped it yet, so we'll see how this one does. We found 3 Starbucks mugs. You saw us pick up 1 in the bins, which we already listed, and you probably saw that it was not a very valuable one. I listed it at $14.99, I think. But I can't believe we found 3 Starbucks mugs in the bins. We never find them. We also found this one. I haven't comped this one yet, so you'll see on the screen. I don't think it looks like a very valuable one, but we'll find out. And then we found this plastic one, which I know won't be very valuable, but I'll look it up anyway. And then this is not a Starbucks mug, but it was a nice ceramic mug that says libraries rock. So I'll look that one up as well. This was cute. It's a D&D product. We sell D&D plush often. And this is, like a wall hanging or a door hanging for a Christmas item. So, and it's new, brand new, and it was clean. It didn't have any scum on it from the bins. So I'll look this up and see how it does. Another Christmas item. Found this cute pair of shoes. It is not a brand I'm familiar with. So I'll be curious to see how it does. The brand is Life Stride, but I thought that they looked cute and comfortable. They're very squishy inside, so they seem like a comfort brand of shoes. And then we found this mouse. It's a Dell mouse, a scrolling mouse. We found this Disney High School Musical microphone. I don't know if we have any way to test this, but we're gonna look into that a little bit more. And then you saw that we picked up a Wii balance board. We ordered it didn't have the battery compartment cover, which we ordered for a little over $5, and then we bundled it with a game that we had existing, a Circus Star game that we had listed for like $7.99. So that increased the value. We were just able to make a bundle and increase the value of the game and the board and make a win-win all around for that whole situation. So we're waiting on that battery cover to come in, and then we will get that balance board listed. But in that same bin that the balance board was in, we also found a Nintendo AC adapter, a branded Nintendo AC adapter, and then another Nintendo cable. So we will list these separately as OEM Nintendo parts. And I'm sure there was at one point in the day, because we were there at the very end of the day, probably a Nintendo in that bin, and somebody else grabbed it and did not get all the cables to go with it. But the cables sell for, you can make great money on just Nintendo parts, so we were thrilled to have the parts that we got. And then lately, I don't know why, but I have been running into a lot of Creative Memories stuff, and I found some in the bins, and I got these 5x7 page protectors, and I think I actually have some 5x7 page protectors already listed. So I will probably just add these to the existing listing that I have. And then I think these are vintage. They look vintage to me. These little tiny baby stockings. So I'm gonna look these up a little bit more and see what the value is on these. And then I found this adult beer costume, Halloween costume, which I do not think is new, but I will open the package and look at it a little bit more and see what I can find out. And scan the barcode and see how much it's worth. And you will see over here as well how much it's worth in a few minutes, or right now. All right, guys, well, thanks so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, so that you can be informed of all of our newest content. Thanks again for joining us, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.
Savings.